Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are signed into the correct Threads account and that your Instagram/Meta link is active. Once done, open account settings and select security or password change. You need your current password and access to the recovery email or phone. If you lack them, pause and recover access now. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. This speeds verification and prevents lockouts while you change credentials. You now perform the password change. Go to Settings, choose Security, then Password. Enter your current password and then enter a new strong password twice to confirm. Use a mix of length and unpredictability. If prompted, complete any multi-factor check by approving a code sent to your device or email. Once accepted, save changes and sign out other sessions if offered. This forces all devices to require the new credential and prevents lingering access from old sessions. You finish by confirming the change. Check your email or in-app alerts and then sign in on primary devices to ensure sync. Update any password manager entries and connected apps so logins remain seamless. If you encounter problems, try the account recovery flow immediately. Request a code to your linked email or phone, follow identity prompts, and use backup codes if needed. If recovery fails, contact Meta support with account details and recent activity. Keep calm and provide accurate verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.